How to use QR codes in your restaurant. Technology always gets upgraded, and so do the systems at a restaurant. Something similar to such innovation is the concept of QR codes. In the restaurant, QR codes are not going anywhere anytime soon. Well, the first thing to understand is the significance of QR codes and what it is exactly. Let's put it into simple words. If you have been to a supermarket, then you would have probably seen a store clerk scan a barcode on a product. Once it rings up, this further indicates that the product is scanned correctly. However, QR codes and barcodes are not similar. Barcodes contain vertical data, and QR codes contain data in both horizontal and vertical. This helps QR codes act more efficiently with high information of about 4,000 characters. However, barcodes seem to remain an underdog for this purpose. So, do you want to know how restaurants use QR codes in their different types? Well, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's dive in. In present times, almost everyone uses a smartphone and cameras that can read QR codes. They are used to launch websites, download an app, or even land on different social media pages. By now, you might know that scannable QR codes were majorly used in COVID-19 times because nobody was allowed to touch the menu booklets. QR codes were an efficient way to maintain precautionary measures due to the touchless properties. It was at great use for the restaurants. It assisted the restaurants in providing easy access to their customers in a hassle-free way. It also increased the use of digital platforms, and even payments were made through QR codes. Just one click and all the information would pop up on the screen. You will be surprised to know that almost 50% of restaurants have shifted towards implementing the concept of QR codes, which is pretty impactful for the digital world. That is why restaurant owners decided to keep them around for a longer period. No one would want the hassle to go through menu booklets that were at the time not updated and touched by so many people. Let's explore a few ways that restaurants implemented using QR codes. Number 1. Digital menus. Many restaurants went on altering their menu, so choosing a digital form was much more appropriate for them. They are easier to update, and the owners don't have to spend an extra amount of money to get fancy menu booklets printed. So, digital menus are an extremely cost-efficient, sustainable, and easy method for customers to choose from. Number 2. Digital payments. Every other day, you will see restaurants innovating and introducing new payment methods to make payment easier for customers. Many restaurants have integrated scan-to-pay technology that helps in printing a unique and distinctive QR code on all the unpaid receipts. This allows the customers to pay the bills as soon as they are ready to check out. It has made the entire process so easy because you won't have to wait for a server to get back and pick up the credit card, then swipe and bring it back to you. That's what QR codes are for. Number 3. Mobile order and pay. In case you don't know, this is a combination of both the digital menu and payments. In this case, as soon as a customer completes their order, they can simply pay for it from their phone. Restaurant QR codes are not only allow them to order what they want, but it also enables them to close out their tab from their phone when they're ready to check out. Number 4. Guest engagement. If you are thinking of the simplest ways, just know that QR codes can give access to sign up for a digital program, whether it's royalty or even email marketing. That just hits the growth levels for a restaurant and acts spot on. Now that you are aware of all the necessary information about how restaurants are using QR codes, the next thing to know is how to use a QR code in a restaurant. First of all, a customer sits down at the table to scan the QR code and access the digital menu. Then, depending on the system, the QR code requires a unique number that can be given by the server. So, the customer then browses the entire menu and adds the desired items to the cart. Through one click, the order is sent to the chef. Once the meal arrives and everything is sorted, the customer can easily pay for their meal and head out. Well, you must be thinking that how does a restaurant benefit from QR code ordering and payment systems? Let me break it down for you. 1. Let's be honest. Paper and printing can be super expensive. With digital menus and ordering systems, there is a great reduction in printing cost. 2. The menu can be easily updated without any extra effort. 3. It increases the customer foothold at a restaurant because a digital ordering system always offers great convenience to the customers. 4. There's an improvement in table turnover because reportedly, tables can be easily served during any busy hours, so a total of 10 minutes of improvement in turn time is great. It also leads to more revenue and more tips for the staff. Number 5. Restaurants can benefit from QR code ordering by cutting down labor costs. They don't require extra labor for the credit, hassle, and payment. Number 6. Overall, a customer gets a better experience through the QR code system. They don't have to wait anymore, nor do they have to worry about payment methods. It's quick and easy to them, it makes the customer happy, and eventually, restaurants benefit from it. Well, that's pretty much it for today's video. What is your opinion about the QR code system evolving in the restaurant business? Comment down below and share this video. Continue watching because we have something exciting coming up next, so make sure to stay tuned.